Let me show you how to cut and paste a cell. Click a cell with the left button on your mouse, right click, cut. Click into another cell, right click, paste. That's how you cut and paste a cell. If you want to know how to cut and paste an area, select the area, drag your cursor to select the whole area, right click the mouse, select cut, and then left click the mouse into the cell where you want to start the paste, right click again, press paste. Very straightforward. If you've got cells that are too rows or too narrow, double click on the row, or column should I say, and that will make it a little bit wider. Okay, stay tuned for the next tutorial. Take care, bye bye.